So yes, Jamaica beat Mexico. And we're into the Gold Cup final again. And Topper Whitmore, a big coach, and Andre Blake, a big keeper, and Ray Ante. But the Maverick want to look further than that this evening. These performances by Jamaica in this tournament are crucial, vital, and critical to the wider development of the nation's football going forward. The fact that this is a team of all Jamaican born and bred players playing between the USA and right here in Jamaica. Remember, some of the Englishmen them were invited and said they were not available for this tournament. So for Whitmore to get into the Gold Cup final with this young and inexperienced team, that alone wipe out and eradicate the myth surrounding Schaefer and the foreign-born and based players and their 2015 run to the final. This current run is a bigger statement achievement than the run in 2015 in terms of reminding the doubters that players born and bred in Jamaica, the player them who know the national anthem and who know Halfway Tree Square and who know Sam Sharp Square, players who Jamaicans know and connect with. The message has been sent by Whitmore and this team that born and bred Jamaican players with a born and bred Jamaican coach should have a major part to play in the development of the football going forward. And look, this ought not to be a competition between foreign-born and local-born players. The mission must still be about finding the right balance. We're talking about balance between foreign and local, between old and young, between fast and slow, between brawn and brains, between skill and will. Balance without bias and favoritism, and put the best team on the field to represent Jamaica. What me say? Balance. See that? Balance. 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 We say balance. Balance.